Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads once or twice every week. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a feature that you only see in the new Google Ads experience or interface, and that is to simulate campaign changes. And this is something that's important to know about because otherwise you will not find an easy way to figure out what changing a budget, for example, will do to your campaign. So you'll notice in this view where I'm looking at all campaigns that you have the status. And sometimes with the status, you will have the opportunity to click like here. And in this case, it's actually describing changing the ROAS to get a different result. Rather than if this were limited by budget, then clicking here would show you what changing various budget options would do to your performance. But there is another place to get this information. So if we just click on the branded campaign as an example, and we look up here next to campaign settings, there's simulate campaign changes option. And this is not available for all campaigns, particularly ones where you've made recent changes. This will typically be grayed out. But once you have a stable campaign with a good amount of history, then you should have this option. And basically what it brings up is options for increasing the target ROAS in this case. And it will show you what you can expect in terms of conversions and in terms of conversion value. And so depending on your budget and your bidding strategy, you may see a different set of options here. For example, changing the budget. Importantly, if you do choose to make a change directly from here, you should note that it will automatically override your ad group target. So if you're using different target ROAS at the ad group level, it'll reset everything to the campaign level. So just be aware of that because I've seen advertisers that use this tool and then they find out later, oh, like I thought that ad group, that one ad group that I had a different target ROAS, that it would remain persistent, but it does not. Also a good idea to check your ad groups before you implement this because you may have different target ROAS and you may forget and then override everything. But basically this tool is useful for giving you some kind of projection rather than, just kind of guessing. The other thing is if you don't have this available, you can try using the performance planner, which obviously has a lot more enhancements, but it does take a little more time to crank out the report that you need. But yeah, so this is something that a lot of advertisers are not aware they can access, and they just kind of fly by the seat of their pants with increasing budgets or changing bids. So it's something that tool that you should be using. Anyway, it was a quick one today. Hopefully you will find this video useful, and that's it for today. I'll see you next time.